Feel the burn. Sculpt your body. 100 squats a day. This is a challenge that can transform your physique. Want amazing legs and a firm butt? 100 squats a day could be the solution. Try 100 squats a day for a month. You'll see surprising results. This challenge is tough, but very rewarding. The feeling of accomplishment is incredible. You'll feel the burn, but that means it's working. Squats are amazing for toning. They work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Every rep counts. That means a stronger lower body overall. You'll feel more powerful. Plus, squats can boost your metabolism. More muscle, more energy. More muscle means more calories burned. Ready for a transformation? Let's go. Let's get started today. The first few days might be tough. Your muscles will be sore. This is a sign that you're working hard and challenging your body. You might even shake. This is totally normal. Shaking is a natural response of your body to intense effort. Your body is adapting to this new challenge. Over time, you'll notice the shaking decrease. Push through the soreness. It will get better. Persistence is key to progress. As you keep squatting, you'll get stronger. The shaking will lessen. Your muscles will become more resilient. You'll be able to do more squats with less effort. Confidence will come with practice. Listen to your body. Rest when you need to. Consistency is key. Don't forget to hydrate and take care of yourself. Even on tough days, try to do a few squats. Every little bit counts towards your progress. Correct technique is crucial. Without good form, you can easily get hurt. This prevents injuries and maximizes results. Proper execution is key to an effective workout. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. This is the foundation for a good squat. Your toes should point slightly outwards. Keep your back straight. Tighten your core. This helps maintain balance. Lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair. Imagine there's an invisible chair behind you. Go down as far as you can while maintaining good posture. Don't let your knees go past your toes. Push through your heels to stand up. This activates the correct muscles. Squeeze your glutes as you come up. That's one rep. Feel the muscles working. Focus on quality over quantity. Correct form is more important than the number of reps. Ready for the challenge? Let's get started. Start with a number of squats that feels right for you and your level. Gradually increase as you get stronger. Listen to your body. Rest when needed. You can do this. Share your squat journey online. Use #100 squat challenge to inspire others. We can motivate each other and achieve our goals. Let's build those strong legs and butts together. Let's go.